Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can add Groupon gift card. In another word, how we guys can redeem your Groupon gift card. Now there's two ways to redeem it. The one way is you guys can redeem it when you're checking out or you're buying some stuff. Other way is to add the Groupon card in advance in your account. To do that, first you want to come to groupon.com and log in into your account. Now once you log in into your account, you want to click on My Stuff at the top right. And from under My Stuff, you can see the option called the Redeem Gift Card, the second last option. Click on it. Once you click on Redeem Gift Card, it's going to bring you over here. Now from over here, you need to enter your code, which means your gift card's gift code. After you enter your gift card's code and enter the PIN number, which is going to be right beside your gift card, you want to click on Redeem. And some gift card does not have PIN. If they don't, then you can leave it empty. But after you enter the code, it's going to ask you to enter the PIN and then click on Redeem and your gift card should be redeemed. That's one way. The second way is during checkout. So let's say I'm going to buy something random just to show you how we guys can redeem it during checkout time. I'm going to buy this just for an example. So when we buy something, it's going to take us to a checkout place. Over here, you can see the add button. Click on it and you can add the promo code over here and click on apply. That's another way to, redeem a gift card as well. So these are the method you guys can redeem your gift card on Groupon. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.